So you want to learn AI automation or start an AI agency? Then you are in the perfect community for it. But of course, when joining a new community, we all have doubts about the money we invest. Our community is here to support you and offers great ways to master AI automation. And you can double your investment with unique strategies like referrals, reselling apps, blueprints, and much more. Let's talk about it in this video. In just 3 minutes, I will show you everything you need to know about Master AI Automation, our community classrooms, automation tools, and expert insights. So by the end, you will see what makes us different. Welcome again to Master AI Automation. I am Mohammad Jahar, founder of M Square Automation. And with over 8 plus years of automation expertise, we are here to help you, teach you, and guide you every step of the way to automate your own business. So the real question is, are you truly into AI and automation? If not, this might not be the place for you because we are building a community for people who are passionate about AI, those who want to leverage automation to scale their business or even start their own AI agency. If this is you, then this is the only community you need to master AI automation. So this is our community. You can see our goal and who this community is best for. Here is the most important part, why you or anyone should choose us. Like I said, we have been in AI automation industry for over 8 plus years and driving success for 800 plus clients across 20 plus countries. Also being the platinum partners of makes our position stronger than others. And these are the benefits you can get by joining the community. Let's see it in detail in our classroom section. Currently, we have 12 dedicated classrooms to make your learning process easier. The first one is AI automation onboarding. Here you can get access to our community guidelines, calendar and classroom overview and access our AI agency checklist. Then goes to the very important classrooms.
Start making an N8 automation hub.
In Start Making, you will learn about one of the best no-code automation platform known as make.com. So once you settle in with make.com training, you can go to our classroom AI automation hub. Here you can see tons of automation workflows related to business idea, data scrapping, marketing, social media, HR recruitment, and productivity enhancement. Simple, you can easily resell these blueprints or relate them to your client requests and simply tweak it to start reselling. Going forward in our classroom, you can see we have weekly live Q&As. If you join our community, it's very important to attend our weekly live Q&As to discuss about your weekly growth, goals, and how to accomplish them. And you can see all the recordings in weekly live session archives. And then you can see one of the hit classroom of 2025, that is AI voice assistant. Here you get ideas on how to do AI voice as a business using WAPI and retail integrated with Make platform, especially for inbound and outbound calls. Going further, you see here the classroom boost your outreach, where we explain how to get leads from Make community or LinkedIn, how to do the outreach, what is the tool involved, right? And there is another important classroom, community bonus apps. It's all about sharing free apps in the community, and also you can resell our apps. So you can see there is starting with advanced tools of YouTube, Gmail, LinkedIn. So these are exclusively free for you. Plus you can resell them with a bigger discount coupon code. And going further in the classroom, you can see section white label automation services. Yes, through our community, you get white labeled automation services with a dedicated project management board with discounted rates. And you can see other classrooms like community automation and prompt library. As of now, there are over 190 plus active users in the community who are ready to connect and share insights for the prosperity of the community. And you can see the real wins they are getting with this community. So here you can see from blueprint to reseller, where I talked about AI automation hub. just keep reselling the blueprints, right? So it's a win for Tina. Then you can see my biggest win so far where Dwayne has gained some work in freelancing platform where he started his AI agency idea. And then we have Jessica who started with white labeled experience with us, right? So she's closed a premium client, and a lot of wins you can see, a lot of learnings and wins has been posted, right? Social media, AI automation, then launching Little Book web app. You can see tons of wins posted over here. So people are winning and you can too. But first, you have to know how to tame AI and blend it with automation for greater results. And that's what we share with our community members. So join our community now, get access to classrooms and our expertise, and start saving time while upgrading your business with the power of AI automation. Let's build, automate, and grow together.